Hi, I've created a video for you on how I will explain to my child on using modern method to solve this question. Okay, so we have this question. Royce is 4 years older than Eric now, and 5 years ago, Royce is twice as old as Eric. So the question is, how old is Royce now? So for the first part of the question, we know that Royce is now 4 years older than Eric. So we just draw two lines. We don't have to worry about the length of the line, but the important thing it shows that there is this gap of 4. Okay, so R represent Royce and E represent Eric, and we have this line to show that this part is 4. Okay, so I break my solution into different diagram because it's easier to show you how I derive it. But for your child doing the solution, they can do everything in one model itself. Okay, so the next part, we know that 5 years ago, Royce is twice as old as Eric. So now the next step is to move 5 years ago. So we move back 5. So remember, both of them got to move back 5 because their age 5 years ago are different. So I just draw a line of 5, I draw a line of 5, and I indicate by these two red lines on the ending point. Okay, then because Royce is twice as old as Eric, I know that whatever that is remaining here 5 years ago, I could name it as U, then this part must be also U. So if this is U, remember 5 years ago Royce is twice as old as Eric, so this also U. Okay, because that is the line for 5 years ago. Okay, now um, we proceed to solve the question. Okay, so we now know that, remember this part we know that it's already 4. So if we move 5 years, this has to be 1. Okay, and if this is 1, this will be also 1. Okay, and if this is 1 and this is 5, this has to be 4 because 4 plus 1 will give you 5. So looking at the diagram itself, straight away we can say is that the unit U is equal to 4. Okay, so from the diagram, we know that the unit U is equal to 4. Hence, Royce is now U plus 1 plus 4 or plus 5. So Royce is 13 years old. Okay. I hope it helps. Thank you.